Hey there. How are your AI skills? Are you using it with your email marketing campaigns? How are your results? Are you seeing better performance? Are you saving time? If you're not getting the results you need from AI, or even if you haven't even tried it, you're going to want to join us for a pre-conference workshop before Email Innovations World. The workshop is called Mastering AI for Email Marketers. I'm going to be co-teaching it with Tamara Gielen, who's from Materialize. She's based in Belgium. I'm here in the States. But we're going to actually teach you how to train your AIs, how to create your own chat GPTs, how to use existing chat GPTs, and in general, how to save time and get really high quality product from your work. That's the one thing I've seen with GPTs and AI to date. I see a lot of people using them, but the quality of the output, not something that I would be comfortable sending. We have developed a system to teach you how to get great quality in less time. And we hope that you will join us. That is Mastering AI for Email Marketers. It's a pre-conference workshop before Email Innovations World in Phoenix in June 5 to 7, 2024. And use my code Jennings20, that's my last name, Jennings20, to save 20% on your registration. Hope to see you there. Bye.